Hello everyone! As this year we enter the Chinese New Year of the rabbit, let's learn how to draw one. The rabbit would be the easiest one you have ever drawn. Let's do it! The preparation materials we need are a piece of white paper, a marker, and some colored pens. Part 1. Bunny drawing. Draw a big circle at the bunny's round head and a small circle as its twinkle eye. Fill a part of the eye with a dark or deep brown pen. Then, draw a curve to show the warm smile of our bunny. Next, draw a 90-degree rotation capital letter C at the bunny's body. Draw two capital letters V and link them between a line at the feet of the bunny. And draw a small circle on the bridge of the bunny as its shaggy tail. Last, draw the two upside-down V at the bunny's ears. I finished part 1, bunny drawing. Now let's go to part 2, coloring. Paint the bunny's face with an orange colored pen. Why orange? Because my bunny eats too many carrots. What color do you think is better? You can choose the color you like. Next, get our green pen and wear our bunny in green. Guess why? A small tip, we need to paint in small patches along the lines of the bunny's body. And then I painted the bunny's tail dark blue because I like this color. What about you? Last but not least, take out the light orange colored pen and paint bunny's ears with it. Ooh, finally, our lovely little bunny is already drawn. What do you think of my painting? Can you paint a bent one? After finish, you can send us your drawing in the comment area.